హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. సెమ్ 3 రియల్ అనాలిసిస్లో మనకు యూనిట్ 4 వచ్చేసి ర్యామాన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అని ఉంది. ఈ 4th యూనిట్ ర్యామాన్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్లో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంకో ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉంది. సో ఇఫ్ యూ సీ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ రిపీటెడ్ సో మెనీ టైమ్స్ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ నౌ దిస్ థీరమ్ ప్రూఫ్. లెట్ f be a bounded function on a comma b. If p and q are partitions of a comma b and p subset are equal to q, then prove that LFP is less than or equal to LFQ is less than or equal to UFQ is less than or equal to UFP. Now we have to show if p subset are equal to q, here p and q are the partitions of a comma b, subpartitions of a comma b, then we have to prove this inequality. Okay, so before going to explain this theorem, మన ఛానల్కి కనుక ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us స్టార్ట్ అవర్ ప్రూఫ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ థీరమ్. ఓకే, so first we have to write what is given in the question. What is given? F is a bounded function on a comma b. Okay, if it is bounded, there should be a infimum and supremum. If you want to write infimum and supremum of any interval, you need to know some partitions. In question is given already, p and q are two partitions of a comma b and p subset are equal to q. This means what? P subset are equal to q means, so q is greater set comparing to p, means in q at least there should be one extra term in the q set. Okay, comparing to p, అంటే pతో కంపేర్ చేసే q అనే సెట్లో అట్లీస్ట్ ఒక్క ఎలిమెంట్ అయినా ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉండాలన్నమాట. ఓకే, q షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మోర్ ఎక్స్ట్రా టర్మ్, అట్లీస్ట్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ అట్లీస్ట్ వన్ మోర్ ఎక్స్ట్రా టర్మ్, దట్ ఈస్ u. సో లెట్ us take p. p is a partition. a is equal to t0, t1, t2, tr minus 1, tr, tn minus 1, tn is equal to b. If we take this as p partition, then q partition will become a is equal to t0, t1, t2, so on, tr minus 1. In middle one more extra term will come, that is u, tr, tn minus 1, tn is equal to b. These two are the partitions of p and q. Okay, partitions of a comma b, these two are the required partitions. If you see these two sets, p subset are equal to q it will be. Okay, now so for the p partition, if you take rth subinterval tr minus 1 comma tr, for this you will get infimum and supremum. So that is capital MR and small mr. If you see previous videos, you can get some clarity on capital MR and small mr. Capital MR is nothing but supremum of f of t. Here t belongs to rth subinterval tr minus 1 comma tr. So delta r is nothing but length of this subinterval, rth subinterval, that is tr minus 1. Small mr is nothing but infimum of f of t, that is t belongs to rth subinterval, this is the length of rth subinterval. Here t is nothing but 1 to so on en. So now this is only for p partition. Okay, this I wrote for p partition. Same like here we have q partition also, but here the interval tr minus 1 comma tr is divided into two smaller subintervals, that is tr minus 1 comma u comma tr. Okay, so this is what, these two subintervals are for the partition q. Okay, this is partition. For partition p we have supremum and infimum. Okay, now partition q also you will be having two supremums, two infimums. For this interval one supremum and infimum. For this interval you will find supremum and infimum. If you take first of all this interval, for this if you want to write supremum, let us take capital MR dash, supremum of f of t. Here t belongs to this subinterval. Okay, so length of this subinterval is delta r is equal to u minus tr minus 1. Okay, if you see for infimum for this small mr dash, means here capital M is nothing but representation of supremum, small m is nothing but representation of infimum. So capital M, small m we chosen for P partition. For Q partition, here we have two subintervals tr minus 1 u and u comma tr. For tr minus 1 comma u, if we take capital M r dash as supremum of f of t, that is t belongs to tr minus 1 comma u. So here delta r is nothing but length of this subinterval u minus tr minus 1. Length is nothing but x2 minus x1. So small m r dash is equal to infimum of f of t. Here t belongs to tr minus 1 comma u, same subinterval. So length means same u minus tr minus 1. This is supremum and infimum for the first subinterval. For the second subinterval also you will find supremum and infimum, that is m r double dash. Supremum of f of t, t belongs to u comma tr. Here length will become tr minus u. So t belongs to here infimum m r double dash, small m r double dash is equal to infimum of f of t, that is t belongs to u comma tr. Delta r is nothing but tr minus u. Okay. So if you observe here it is capital M r, here it is small m r. So in the middle we have capital M r dash, okay, capital M r dash, capital M r double dash, small m r dash, double dash, small m r dash. Okay. If you see this capital M r dash in the middle of what? In the middle of these two. Okay. In the middle of original interval. Okay. Original interval. So for example, here we have 1 comma 10 original subinterval a comma b. In this, if you take a partition, if you take a subinterval in the middle, if you take a subinterval, that is for example 2 comma 5. Okay. So supremum of this subinterval is 10. Supremum of this subinterval is 5. So this is nothing but capital M, this is nothing but capital M dash. So capital M is greater than, always capital M is greater than M dash, right? Ante if we see the subinterval, supremum of original subinterval is always greater comparing to the subinterval u comma tr minus 1 comma u. Okay. So m r dash is always less than or equal to capital M r, that is capital M r is always greater than or equal to capital M r dash. Same like m r double dash also will be less than or equal to capital M r, that is capital M r is greater than or equal to m r double dash. Means if we take a supremum value of this subinterval, that supremum is always less comparing to the original supremum. Okay. If we take infimum value in the subinterval, that is always greater than comparing to the infimum value of original subinterval, the main subinterval, that is P, main partition, that is P. Same like m r double dash also greater than or equal to m r. Okay. So ikkada ఈ స్టెప్ వినండి క్లియర్గా, కేర్ఫుల్గా. ఇది మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అనమాట. ఇక్కడ వరకు రాసింది ఒకటైతే ఇది ఒకటి అనమాట. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు tr మైనస్ 1 u అండ్ tr అనే మిడిల్ ఆర్త్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఉంది, రైట్? tr మైనస్ 1 u tr అనే ఆర్త్ సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ ఉంది. ఇందులోనే మనం రెండు సబ్ ఇంటర్వెల్ తీసుకున్నాం, tr మైనస్ 1 కామా u ఒకటి అండ్ u కామా tr ఒకటి తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఇందులో సుప్రీమం వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి u అవుతుంది, ఇందులో సుప్రీమం వాల్యూ వచ్చేసి tr అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇది క్యాపిటల్ M, ఇది క్యాపిటల్ M డాష్ అనుకుంటే క్యాపిటల్ M డాష్ కన్నా క్యాపిటల్ M అనే వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, అందుకే దీని తర్వాత ఉంది కదా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అంటే సో ఆల్వేస్ mr డాష్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు క్యాపిటల్ mr. సేమ్ లైక్ క్యాపిటల్ mr డబుల్ డాష్ ఇస్ లెస్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు capital mr. This supremum clear, I think. Okay. Now see, compare it to infimum, tr minus 1 u and tr. So this is the subinterval of capital M, main subinterval of capital M. In this we taken again subintervals tr minus 1 comma u and u comma tr. So in this infimum value is this small mr dash. Here infimum value is this small mr double dash. So here in this infimum value, in capital M infimum value is what? Tr minus 1. Okay. So here ఈ tr minus 1 value, if we compare tr minus 1 value is less comparing to this u is this, no, always this should be like this. Okay, so if we see these two small, these two, here it is greater, means we can write this mr double dash is greater than or equal to mr. So these two may or may not be equal, so that we can write these two also mr dash is greater than or equal to mr. We can write these two as mr is less than or equal to mr dash and mr is less than or equal to mr double dash. So let it be equation number 1. Equation number 2. These two will be useful for the next steps. Okay. Now we know mr delta r. Let us consider mr delta r, capital mr delta r. Delta r is nothing but tr minus 1 we wrote in upper. So here add and subtract u. So now separate this tr minus u to capital mr, u minus tr minus 1 to capital mr. If you see from equation number 1, this capital mr is always greater than or equal to mr double dash. Okay, if you see from equation number 1, here mr is greater than or equal to mr dash, mr is greater than or equal to mr double dash. If we replace in place of mr, so here both mr only, but we replaced here mr double dash, here mr dash. Why? Because mr double dash is only for the subinterval u comma tr, that is, this is the length of subinterval. So here the subinterval is different, u comma tr minus 1 comma u. For tr minus 1 comma u, we have to replace mr dash. So we replaced this both here. If you bring these two to this LHS side, then it will be capital mr into tr minus 1 minus mr double dash into tr minus u minus mr dash into u minus tr minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. Same like if you compare small mr delta r, in place of delta r we have to replace tr minus 1. Now again we have to add and subtract u, then here it is minus, observe. Okay, so now separate this tr minus u to mr, u minus tr minus 1 to mr. So again from equation number 2, we have to replace in place of mr double dash for the interval, for the length tr minus u. For the length u minus tr minus 1, we have to replace in place of mr dash. So in the place of is equal to, you will find less than or equal to. If you bring this 2 to this side, then it will be mr into tr minus 1 mr double dash into tr minus u, mr dash into u minus tr minus 1 is less than or equal to 0. Now we have to consider LFP minus LFQ. This is consideration, LFP minus LFQ. LFP is nothing but, this is the infimum value of P partition. Infimum value of P partition is what? mr delta r. Delta r is nothing but tr minus 1. This is the subinterval, rth subinterval of P. Okay, so now LFQ, Q is nothing but LFQ. Q is nothing but, here you will find two subintervals, that is tr minus 1 u comma tr. For this we can write mr dash delta r, that is u minus tr minus 1. For this we have to write mr double dash tr minus u. Okay, so in place of minus, if you bring minus inside, then you can find mr of tr minus 1 minus mr dash u minus tr minus 1 minus mr double dash tr minus u. So if we observe from equation number 3, in place of these all, we can replace less than or equal to 0. If you bring this to this side, then it will be LFP is less than or equal to LFQ. This is equation number 5. Now we have to consider UFP minus UFQ. UFP means supremum value of main rth subinterval for the P partition tr minus 1 tr. That is capital mr delta r, in place of delta r we can replace this. UFQ is nothing but supremum value of two subintervals, that is tr minus 1 comma u comma tr. So for this you will get capital mr dash delta r, capital mr double dash delta r. So in place of this total, so if you bring minus inside, in place of this total from equation number 4 we can replace greater than or equal to 0. If you observe from equation number 4 you can find in place of this all we can replace greater than or equal to 0. If you bring this to this side, then it will be u of p is greater than or equal to u of q. Okay, so let it be always, you know, for the p partition, infimum is always greater than less than or equal to supremum, that is LFP is less than or equal to u of p. For q subinterval, LFQ is less than or equal to u of q. If you observe this fifth equation, sixth, seventh, eighth, you can find one common thing, that is LFP is less than or equal to LFQ is less than or equal to u of q, and u of q is less than or equal to u of p. From these four equations we can write LFP is less than or equal to LFQ is less than or equal to u of q is less than or equal to u of p. So this is our required proof. I hope all you clear. In the middle you got some confusion. Listen clearly once and twice this video. See this video, you can get clarity on this proof. So this is very important. This maybe will come in the examination for short answer or long answer type. I hope all you clear. నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అదేవిధంగా ఫస్ట్ టైం మన ఛానల్కి ఎవరైనా వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నట్లయితే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం అస్సలు మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.